Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, today we talk about image element. In image, we have three options. My uploads. Uploads are those images which you upload from any other websites. You can click from it and you place it in this fixed builder. Upload media. Upload from computer. You can, if you have any images in this which you have downloaded for get, let's say this, I download this image and you can click here. It's loading and place it in the Wix. You can use it in. And there are also some more images, free Wix images also available. You can, if you need to images from Wix website, from Wix builder, Wix also platform has also many images. Stock images also website, social images you use. We can connect our Facebook to this and we can use images from our Facebook or any social media platform. Okay. Let's say more option. Also use Instagram, Flickr. These are images. In image we have not so much any option. Only these are important: image collection and my uploads. And then you have some setting with images I discuss here for you. In setting, we can make a link to image. It can magnify it, it open and pop up. Image behavior, when you click on image, what's occur. We can also place a link to an image to any of the same option, any website, any page, anchor, top button, bottom of page. You can go to the top when you click on it, and if you choose bottom style, you can go to bottom. And the document in the light box, these are all. None, you can choose none from here. In adjust option, you can change any brightness, whatever you want. You can see the color is changed. In contrast, you can use this. When highlights, these are all the options in which you can use in the image. You can see it is become sharp. If you want to sharp this image, you can use this option. We also use text on that image, text element, overlay element, background element. Text element, we can use also text here. Let's say we also write, we written Wix. Change this. We can make it center, left. We can also change the opacity of this text color. So much option here. We can also drag it in on left or wherever you want. Save it. Now you can see its images. Save it now like that. Wait. And this design option, you can change this design in the frame, or you can use shadow this like this. I hope you like that.